So the first time I did this video, I wasn't recording. So let me double check, because baby girl, I am traumatized. I was talking it up. It's way too late for this. I still have to like literally edit the video, y'all. It's 9:30. I have until 12 a.m. Like, y'all, it's rough out here, real rough. But okay, we're gonna go into me explaining this logic for you guys. So I'm going to first like do not do homework last minute. Anyways, in 2 days. So we're gonna start. So basically, I have this paper from my classes' exam 2. This paper just goes over what I will be going over in this video and what all has to be done. So I'm going to explain, just going by like step from 1 to step 10 about just how I put this into my ladder diagram. And yeah, let's get started. So this is literally my 3rd time going through this, y'all. Like, you know, I'm gonna double check real quick to make sure the video is recording. Okay, cool. It's still recording. Rung 000. That is where I have step 1 and step 8. Okay, that's where we're going to start the machine, but we're also going to check for if the filter and the oil must be changed. Okay, that's the change light. Okay, that's what we're checking for, that just a little bit. And then in 1, that is also step 2 in here, where it says before the motor shaft starts to run, the bearings are supplied with oil by the oil pump for 7 seconds. So we have the oil pump, it's going to turn on because of the output, so it's going to turn on, and then it's going to turn on for 7 seconds, and that's when, you know, the bearings get oiled up. Okay, oiled up. Now for rung 2, you can see that it says motor output turns on when pump latch is active. And yeah, so basically I need to change that. What the heck, girl? It's me changing this, like, literally, I already turned it in. Okay, whatever. We're gonna just continue. Okay, so basically, yeah, into it's energized, whatever. But we're going on to 3. Okay, 3 and 4, that's when the lights turn on. Real easy. Okay, we got the lights, the button, and then, okay, the motor turns on, the pump turns on, then the lights turn on. Does that make sense? That's really easy. So, and then in 5, we have the timer that supplies for about 10 seconds. And that just refers to step 6. We already went through 5 steps. Now we're at step 6. When the operator presses stop button, the oil pump continues to supply oil for 10 seconds. And that's basically what's going on right there in rung 5. Okay, so if the operator presses the stop button, the oil pump will continue to supply for about 10 seconds. All right, let's go to 6 now. So in our step 7 of the machine operation, can you guys see? Okay, I don't know, but that's gonna be our rung 6 and 7. So first part of it is that when the total running time reaches 60 seconds, the motor and the pump are automatically shut down. Okay, so let's look at rung. Okay, so the motor, it will reach 60 seconds. Okay, why am I touching it with my hand and not my mouth? So the motor reaches 60 seconds, and then that's when it's gonna get shut down. Okay, and now the subroutine right here, that's what's gonna go into the second part of this step 7, where it goes over it flashing on and off. So that's basically what this is. I just put it as 10 seconds and then a cumulative of 3, so it'll just flash. Not 10 seconds, 1 second, because of my time base, so it'll flash for a second 3 times. That makes sense, hopefully. But yeah, if it's shut down, it's gonna flash and then it's gonna just shut down the light right here. And then yeah, just to make sure, then reset, and then I have my, if they press the reset button, it's gonna also reset again, and I got that in there. Okay, that is part of step 9. Okay, step 8 was in my rung 000, and that's basically it, y'all. That's it. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm free. But I am going to do this lab 5, and I'm going to be all done for tonight. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.